kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. So today I want to do you guys a lovely and simple and easy cheesy macaroni, I'm gonna call it. Yeah, cheesy macaroni. All right, so first thing what you need to do is put on a medium-sized pot on the stove like this. All right, guys. Secondly, put a little bit of salt, not much salt, tiny bit, just a little pinch. All right. I have some macaroni, which I'm going to be using inside of it. Roughly about 2 cups of macaroni. And I'm going to put the macaroni straight in the water like this. All right. In between, what you need to do, just give it a little stir, not much. It seems like you want some more. But anyway, macaroni do swell. All right. So in between, give it a stir, and don't make it stick together. All right. I'm gonna give you a simple little macaroni and cheese where you can do this at home, and you're not gonna be complicated or in a way, but it's just gonna be easy and simple. Don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell because it is important for me and the team. All right, guys. What I'm going to do, just put a little bit more macaroni, but roughly about another cup of macaroni inside of it. Yeah, lovely. Nice. So that, because macaroni is not like pasta, you know what I mean, we swell and get big up on, So we're gonna make that cook for about 15 minutes the least. I'm gonna give it for. All right, guys, enjoy this recipe, macaroni cheese, easy one. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, it's boiling up. All right, look at that. This is how they look. When they cook, they look different. All right, so I'm gonna simply pour off this now. Look, yeah, when they cook them, a boom like rubber. All right, let's pour off this water. Turn off the stove. Nice one. So once you pour it off like this, yeah, once you do that, all right, guys, then simple, quickly put it back straight back inside of the pot, just like that. Lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna mix it up now and get the macaroni and cheese together. Lovely and nice. So right here I have some cheese which I just grated. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply put a little bit of cheese together with it. Lovely. And then we're going to put some milk, roughly about 4 tablespoons of milk, not much milk, and give it a lovely mix. So I'll put roughly about 2 handfuls of cheese together. Put another handful of cheese in it. Lovely. And then a little bit of black pepper. And we're going to put a little bit of, this is some all-purpose season. Let's put a little bit in it, not much. Little bit of garlic powder. And this is some Italian herb mix. I'm just gonna put a little bit in also, because I don't have any mixed herb at the moment. Nice one. And then mix them up. Once you mix it up like this, what you need to do is do a simple transfer into a big oven bowl like that one. All right. So that you guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. So just pour it out inside of it like this. there's another way how you can make the macaroni and cheese, but I just think this way is just a quick and an easier way for 9-to-5 workers and who have a lot of stuff to do. Then simple, put some cheese on top of it like this. All right, another roughly about a handful of cheese on top. All right, guys, once you put the cheese on top of it like that, then what you're gonna do next is put it in the oven and get it baked for about 20 minutes. So if you're using electric oven, I would say 165 to 170, or if you're using gas mark, 6 or 7. All right, guys, so enjoy the recipe and please subscribe, leave your comments, and don't remember, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, the macaroni and cheese is finished. I just take it from the oven. Look at it. Beautiful and nice and fantastic. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. As you can see, this is a simple macaroni and cheese. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. As I can see. All right, let's share out some of it with some chicken. I'm gonna taste it. This is nice. Let's share it out. Nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do, simple, plate up some of it now. This is some with some baked chicken. All right. Nice, I love it. So basically enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave a comment in the description box. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming for you from Chef Ricardo. All right, guys, the chicken recipe, I will put the link in the description box, or if you search in my video, you will see the chicken recipe like this. Yeah, lovely and nice mac and cheese from Chef Ricardo. Easy one at home today. See you next time. Bye bye.